Adding a debit card to your Fifth Third bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth addition of your card. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the Card Management or Accounts section in the menu. This is where you can manage your debit cards and other account settings. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Card Management section, find the option to Add Debit Card. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your new card. Step 4. Enter card information. You will be prompted to enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card information, review the details and click on Confirm or Save Changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your debit card has been successfully added. Now you are ready to use your debit card with your Fifth Third bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.